A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
The story of Prophet Shoaib, peace be upon him, according to the Quran. Prophet Shoaib, peace be upon him, was a descendant of Midian, the son of Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, and his people were named after him, as was the land where they lived. Allah granted Shoaib, peace be upon him, prophethood and tasked him with guiding his people, who resided in a lush, forested area known as Aika. The inhabitants of Aika were rebellious idol worshippers who engaged in dishonest business practices, specifically by using separate sets of weights and measures to cheat people during trade, taking more than they were owed and giving less than they should. They were known for their deceit, corruption, and for harassing travelers on the roads. Despite Prophet Shoaib's persistent calls to worship Allah and act with integrity, only a small group of impoverished people followed him. The wealthy leaders of the community were deeply offended by his teachings and eventually gave him an ultimatum. Either he and his followers must return to their ancestral religion or be expelled from the land. Prophet Shoaib firmly rejected this, stating that returning to falsehood after Allah had saved them would be a grave lie against him. Exhausted by their stubbornness, Prophet Shoaib prayed for Allah's judgment between him and his people. Consequently, a devastating earthquake struck, leaving the disbelievers lifeless in their homes as if they had never existed. Shoaib, peace be upon him, turned away from the city and said, "O people, I have fulfilled my duty to bring God's words to you and offered you sincere advice. Now how can I mourn the people who rejected the truth?" Although the aspect of idol worshipping was among the reasons why the wrath of Allah hit them, their mistreatment of the people and their rebellious behavior was also a big reason for their downfall. Such behavior invites the punishment of Allah. While some scholars believe Prophet Shoaib is the same individual who hosted Prophet Musa in Midian for 10 years, others maintain they are distinct historical figures. Only Allah knows for certain.
Sadaqallahu.